Welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve into the life and teachings of a revered spiritual master whose wisdom continues to inspire millions. Join us as we discover the timeless wisdom of a great soul known as Shri Kripalu Ji Maharaj, a revered spiritual master and a prominent figure in the devotional tradition, strongly believe that Lord Krishna is the ultimate God. His teachings and philosophy revolve around the divine love and devotion for Krishna, as well as the significance of Radha in the path of devotion. In ancient India, amidst the lush forests of Vrindavan, a divine love story unfolded. It was a tale of Radha and Krishna, two celestial beings, whose love symbolized the eternal bond between the soul and the Supreme. Maharaj based his belief on the scriptural texts of Hinduism, particularly the Bhagavad Gita and the Srimad Bhagavatam, which emphasize Krishna's divine nature and his role as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. According to his teachings, Krishna is not an ordinary historical figure or a mythological character, but the supreme absolute truth, the source of all existence, and the ultimate goal of human life. In the teachings of Maharaj, Radha holds a significant place. He believed that Radha and Krishna are not separate entities, but rather two aspects of the same divine reality. Radha symbolizes the embodiment of selfless love and devotion, while Krishna represents the Supreme Beloved and the source of all existence. Maharaja teaches that Radha's devotion to Krishna is not limited to a historical or mythological context, but has a profound spiritual significance. Radha's love for Krishna represents the soul's innate longing to unite with the divine, and by meditating on Radha's love, one can awaken their own divine love for God. The teachings of Krishna, as elucidated in the Bhagavad Gita and other scriptures, form the basis of Maharaja's teachings. Some of the key teachings of Krishna include the importance of selfless action, detachment, divine love and devotion, and the eternal nature of the soul. Maharaj emphasized the concept of Bhakti Yoga, or the path of devotion, to attain union with Krishna. He believed that true devotion should be unconditional and selfless, characterized by intense love, surrender, and a yearning for the divine union with Krishna. By cultivating pure devotion and engaging in devotional practices, such as chanting the divine names of both Radha and Krishna, singing their glories, and serving them with love, one can experience a deep spiritual connection with the divine and attain eternal bliss. It involves surrendering one's ego, desires, and actions to the divine, and wholeheartedly dedicating oneself to the practice of devotion. Maharaji emphasized that devotional yoga is a complete and self-sufficient path that can lead to the attainment of moksha. It means the liberation from the cycle of birth and death. By understanding and imbibing the teachings of Radha and Krishna, as explained by Maharaj, devotees are guided on a path of profound devotion, self-realization, and spiritual transformation. The love and devotion shared between Radha and Krishna, as two aspects of the same divine reality, serve as a timeless inspiration for seekers on their journey to experience divine love and attain ultimate union with the Supreme. Thank you for exploring the teachings of Shri Kripalu Ji Maharaja and the wisdom of Krishna with us. May their teachings inspire you to embrace love, devotion, and inner transformation. Stay connected for more spiritual insights.